So, yep, I'm driving. I know, I'm not supposed to be recording while I'm driving, but ngayon lang ulit ako mag-drive to Manila. Driving with Princess! Welcome to Driving with Princess. Sorry kung ganito yung camera ko, pero we have no choice.
Day 2.
Hi guys, so I'm moving out of this apartment. Goodbye apartment. I'm gonna miss you. No, I have to kasi di na ako mag-work dito sa Taguig, and you know I'm gonna be wasting money if I'm still gonna pay for this apartment, and I'm not gonna be staying here for sure. So you know what, I have to leave it. Even though I don't want to. And as you can see, I've been packing. Gugutom na ako. I'm so hungry. I need to eat something. Order na lang kaya ako. Really hungry. Shakies tayo. Shakies. Kakainin mo ako. Find the light. Pepperoni. Please check out. Yeah! Patawag sa akin at yun yung pizza ko. Yeah! Yeah!
A few moments later.
Pizza's here! But not just one. We got 2 pizzas! And a liter of Coke. Shakies! At mag-isa ko lang siyang kakainin. Baka gusto mo sa kabila. Ano, okay natin sila. Pagpusig na. Tinawa. Anyway, kain mo na ako. I'm super hungry.
Day 3.
I'm supposed to be leaving by now, going back to my house. But look who's still unpacked. Ang tamad ko, beshi, puta. Ayaw mo magpack. I look, still want to stay here for a little bit, but you know what? This room, I can pack this freaking room for 2 hours. But someone's too lazy. Someone's too lazy. Hey. Someone's too lazy to do her shit.
Day 4.
AC. How am I gonna remove you?
One eternity later.
Finally!
No, I'm sorry.
Oh my
I was in
God.
here yesterday. You wouldn't wait.
Goodbye, apartment. This is it. I'm all done. Goodbye.
Later.
I'm home and nandiyan naman na lahat ng kalat. Dami tayong gagawin tomorrow.